Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show step by step how you can easily use Gmass. Gmass is an amazing tool for Gmail that you can use, and I definitely recommend like everyone to use it. So I'm going to show you in this video what you can do with it and how you can work with it. So the first thing what you need is a Chrome. This is really important. Now if you're gonna have any questions about the Gmass and how we can use it, ask me down below in the comments. So I'm going to click here, add to Gmail. Now what you need to do is to simply download it and add to Chrome as extension, and voila. So here I'm going to use it and I'm going to add it, but I'm going to change the email here. So let's go for this one here. Okay, and here we are. You must connect Gmass to your Google account for this work, and okay. Now I'm going to edit, allow. So you need to allow for the Gmail, and voila, here we are. Nice work, you're all set. So show me some magic. And now we'll go step by step what you can actually achieve with the Gmass. So here I can see my very first Gmail email campaign. I see that I'm going to send the email to 8 people, right? And then look at this. Hey, first name, buddy. This is the message I'm sending to demonstrate the power of Gmass. And when you're going to write an email, you're always going to see the Gmass here. So click this Gmass button instead of send, and individual emails will be sent to each address into the field. So you already clicked, and now it's sent. And now I'm going to show you how it actually works. So let's say I'm going to write to, and I'm going to write someone gmail.com. Subject, what you can see on the right side is a connect to an email list in the Google Sheets or past campaign. So if you already have a Google Sheet, you can simply connect it with it. Subject Gmass. And that this is going to be 1, 2, 3. And what I can do here, let's look, guys. I can see the Gmass here. And if you're going to click Gmass, you can send. So I'm going to click on the arrow here. So you can send a test email. You're going to see the templates here. And you're going to see also the select field, first name, last name, email address. So let's say I want to add a. Look at this. In the moment when you personalized, you click first name friend. The personalized variable, look at this, was copied. So if I'm going to copy it, hi, first name friend. Now when I would click on the arrow here, I can simply go, let's the last name. Hi, like this, last name. Now, when I would go to the unsubscribe link, look at this. I got also unsubscribe link. Then on the 3 dots here, I can go personalize. That we already know how to do that. You can send a test email to yourself. You can track opens and clicks. Actioned, you can create a drafts or send emails. Then you have auto follow-up. So if there is a no reply after 2 days, just making sure send text only email in the same thread. Just make sure you saw this. Okay. Then you have also schedule here that you can schedule the email. So time, if it's going to be now, if it's going to be 1 hour, in 3 hours, tomorrow morning, tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening, or you choose it, right? So let's say you can go like in 3 hours or now. Then speed. So let's say you're gonna like have a lot of people that you want to send your email to. What you can do is to send, let's say, 10 emails per day. And you can pause 1 to 5 minutes between emails. So this is really important if you want to send bulk emails through Gmail, and this is how you can like do that. And this is my huge recommendation of what you can actually do. So definitely use the speed. So let's say 5 emails and post 1 to 5 emails a day. Now this is really effective because like Gmail won't stop you from sending, because if you would have like 70 emails that you want to send, Gmail wouldn't allow you to do it, right? And this is a huge thing how we can do it. Now you can also repeat that. So we can repeat every 1 month. If it's same email that you want to send to those people, you can like copy the campaign. Now advanced, you can send as replies. You can add images as a default. Reply to. You can verify the emails before sending. You can skip loading emails to send folder. You can also A/B test here. Send the different emails to see what works the best. And then you can also see the preview text and friendly name. And this is how we do it. You can also the spam solver here, see that? You can send test email, how it looks like. Then you're gonna see also the spam solver shows whether your emails are landing in the inbox. Click go to watch the magic happen. Then you see also the link checker. So this is really great, like you can add a free link checker here and you can check it out. And email analyzer. So sending your email for analysis. So these are the two things if your like email is going to be on a blacklist. This is my also recommendation definitely to do, and definitely to test it out using the email analyzer and the spam solver. The spam solver, see where your emails are landing in the inbox. So if I'm going to send it, you would find like if it's actually landing or if they see it or not see it. So this is how the Gmass works here. And I can get also like the test email here if it works. Then what I can find here also is a Google Sheets. And for Gmass to find email list stored in your Google Sheets, you can use the Google Sheets on the top. Then you can also choose a past campaign to send on manual follow-up campaign. So let's say I have 16 emails here. Send, open, didn't open, click, didn't click. So I can use the campaign that we have and I can use it and like choose it again. So everyone who replied, I can compose follow-up. And then I would add a subject and everything here. Then what I see that I can launch a campaign dashboard. See, these are all my campaigns. And that's pretty much it how it works. I can preview. So you see that in the moment when I send a lot of like emails, I would have it as a campaign here. So this is pretty much it how we do it. Thank you very much guys for watching. If you're gonna have any questions about how we can use this, ask me down in the comments. If you don't understand something about Gmass, I'll be really happy to help you. So thank you very much guys for watching and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.